Hello, my name is Lori Keeley, and I am the founder of Heal with Lori, LORI.com. I am a holistic spiritual healer. I work through the power of Reiki, healing energy, and hypnotherapy and counseling of holistic psychology using the law of attraction to help you manifest the life of your dreams. The key in changing any aspect of your life is to change yourself from within. And everything that we do stems from our consciousness, whether conscious or unconscious. The unconscious being 96%, all needs to be cleared out and changed in order for you to make lasting change in your life. Because everything stems from our thoughts. The feeling follows, the action follows the feeling, and we move forward from there. So if you've ever tried to make changes in your life only to fail over and over and over and over again, I'm here to give you hope and tell you that it's not your fault. And that if you only work to clear out the old consciousness within you, the old thoughts, the old beliefs, the old perceptions, the memories, everything that's stored in your mind, like a tape recorder, you have to clear it all out. And then you have to reprogram your consciousness with positive thoughts and feelings, a new consciousness that moves you in the direction that you want to move. So if you want to quit smoking, if you want to lose weight, if you want to exercise more, if you want to be more motivated, if you want to achieve your goals, if you want to be more successful, if you want more money, if you want a better relationship, whatever, you have to change your consciousness. That is the key to the root of everything. And that is the work that I do, is I help you to change your consciousness. Through the power of Reiki and hypnotherapy, we clear out all of the old consciousness within you. Everything that has occurred from birth to now is stored, and we clear out anything that is self-sabotaging and holding you back. 96% being on the unconscious level. You're not even aware of it, but it can block anything that you're trying to manifest. So we clear it all out. I offer one-on-one personalized sessions over the phone, and we clear out all the old, and then we recreate the new consciousness to move you in the direction you want to move to achieve your goal, so that you have the positive thoughts, the positive feelings, and the positive actions to move it all forward and really be successful with what you really want to create. You can create whatever you want in your life. The key is just in changing your software in your conscious and unconscious mind. I also offer Reiki training classes one-on-one. I'm located in Tempe, Arizona, and I would love to work with you and help you. I also offer counseling of holistic psychology. I offer angel readings, and I also teach masterminding. Once you clear out all the consciousness, we come together and we work together to manifest the life that you desire to live and the changes that you desire to live. So if this sounds interesting to you and you want to learn more, read at healwithlori.com or email me at lr444k@cox.net. I would love to work with you, and I hope to work with you soon. Contact me. Thank you. Love, light, angels, and blessings, and namaste.